Diabetes is a condition characterized by difficulties in regulating blood sugar levels, leading to high blood sugars known as hyperglycemia. Over time, these elevated sugar levels can weaken blood vessels, causing damage to vital organs like the heart, eyes, brain, arteries, and kidneys. Unfortunately, poor eating habits over an extended period can trigger this prevalent condition, making it one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Insulin, a hormone released by the pancreas, plays a crucial role in this process. Acting as a key, insulin enables the entry of sugar, glucose, into cells while removing it from the bloodstream. However, astonishingly, more than 60% of adults suffer from some degree of insulin resistance. This condition arises when cells can no longer accept sugar and insulin due to excessive consumption of sugary foods, refined carbohydrates, or frequent meals over the years. The cells build a barrier against insulin, leading to its resistance and eventual development of diabetes. Strikingly, insulin resistance stands as one of the primary causes of various diseases, illnesses, and obesity in the human body. Notably, conventional A1C blood tests may not accurately detect this condition, as the body compensates by producing higher insulin levels. In today's video, we will explore the top 8 early indicators that may point towards the presence of insulin resistance and diabetes. These signs are essential for timely detection and proactive measures to manage and prevent further complications. Exploring early signs of insulin resistance and diabetes. 1. Sweet cravings. When your blood sugars are not properly controlled, you may experience a strong desire for sweet or sugary snacks soon after finishing your meal. The problem arises because your cells do not effectively accept sugar from your blood, misleading your brain into thinking you are still hungry. Consequently, you crave sugar as a quick energy boost. 2. Blurred vision. At the initial stages of insulin resistance, you might notice blurred vision and difficulty focusing on objects. This occurs due to your cells no longer accepting insulin and glucose correctly, resulting in the lenses of your eyes swelling with fluid. Additionally, elevated blood glucose levels can damage the blood vessels connected to your eyes, causing distorted vision, blurriness, and bloodshot eyes. 3. Frequent nighttime urination. Having an excess of glucose, sugar, in your blood causes it to bind to water, leading your body to retain more fluid. As a result, your kidneys work overtime to filter the extra sugar, leading to more frequent urination, especially during the night while you sleep. This increased urination also triggers greater thirst during the day, creating a cycle. 4. Tingling and numbness. Neuropathy. If you experience tingling, burning, stabbing, or shooting pain in your feet, toes, or hands, it could indicate neuropathy. High insulin and sugar levels in your blood can damage the blood vessels and peripheral nerves, causing them to misfire and send unusual signals to your brain. If left untreated, this can progress to numbness and loss of function, potentially developing from prediabetes to type 2 diabetes. 5. Skin tags. While everyone may have a skin tag or two, an increase in their growth could signal prediabetes. Elevated insulin levels trigger rapid reproduction of skin cells, resulting in the growth of more skin tags. However, reversing insulin resistance can lead to the natural disappearance of these skin tags. 6. Sagging belly fat. When your blood sugar remains elevated for extended periods, your body converts it into fat to store energy for the future. Excessive insulin and glucose prompt the accumulation of fat in the liver, which eventually spills over to your abdominal area, causing belly fat. Reducing blood glucose and insulin levels over time is key to burning this fat. 7. Slow wound healing. Consuming too many carbohydrates and sugars can deplete vitamin B3, essential for skin health. Elevated sugar levels in the blood lead to poor circulation, resulting in longer healing times for minor cuts, bruises, or wounds. This condition worsens with diabetes and may eventually lead to necrosis, possibly resulting in the loss of a toe or a foot. 8. Brain fog. Struggling to concentrate and experiencing mental fogginess may be linked to consuming excessive sugars and carbohydrates the previous day. This causes blood sugars to spike and then dramatically drop, leaving you hypoglycemic. Consequently, insufficient fuel reaches your brain, leading to feelings of fog, lack of concentration, focus, or memory gaps. Understanding the causes of prediabetes. When considering the common signs of prediabetes, it becomes crucial to explore the underlying causes responsible for this condition. Several primary factors contribute to the development of prediabetes. Impact of refined carbohydrates. Consuming excessive refined carbohydrates, such as sugar and flour, can be detrimental. These highly processed foods lack essential nutrients, leaving only glucose as an energy source. Consequently, the body struggles to process sugars effectively, leading to insulin resistance in cells and the potential for early onset diabetes. Mental stress and blood sugar. Mental stress plays a role in elevating blood sugar levels and eventually triggering insulin resistance. Cortisol, a hormone produced during stressful situations, breaks down muscle and fat into blood glucose, contributing to insulin resistance and diabetes. Frequent snacking and insulin overload. Constantly eating throughout the day overwhelms cells with excessive fuel, Each meal raises insulin levels, and our bodies are not designed for continuous eating. Intermittent fasting can be beneficial in reversing prediabetes. Preventing diabetes through healthy habits. Having recognized the signs of prediabetes, taking preventive measures becomes essential to avoid it evolving into full-blown diabetes. Here are some steps to consider. Eliminate refined carbohydrates. Remove refined carbohydrates, sugars, flour, and grain-based foods like bread, biscuits, cereals, and fruit juices from your diet. Replace them with healthy fats such as avocados, extra virgin olive oil, pasture-raised eggs, and wild salmon to help control hunger and cravings. Avoid snacking between meals. To prevent prediabetes symptoms from escalating, refrain from snacking between meals. If you find it challenging, try consuming a teaspoon of MCT oil after your first meal. This oil, derived from coconuts, provides an alternative fuel source called ketones, reducing glucose dependence. Opt for healthy cooking oils. Ditch vegetable oils like margarine, soy oil, cottonseed oil, canola oil, rapeseed oil, and corn oil, which can cause cell and pancreas damage. Instead, cook your meals using grass-fed butter, virgin coconut oil, an avocado, and extra virgin olive oil. Manage stress and prioritize sleep. Keeping stress levels in check and ensuring 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night help regulate hormones and blood sugar levels. Consider intermittent fasting. Adopt intermittent fasting, where you consume all calories within a 4-hour window and fast for the remaining 20 hours. This technique effectively normalizes insulin levels, allowing cells to efficiently process sugar and maintain balance. Conclusion: diabetes, characterized by high blood sugar levels or hyperglycemia, can have severe consequences on the body's vital organs, making it a significant global health concern. Detecting early signs of insulin resistance and diabetes is crucial for timely intervention and prevention of further complications. By also understanding the causes of prediabetes and adopting proactive measures, individuals can take control of their health and reduce the risk of diabetes progression. Taking small steps towards a balanced and mindful lifestyle can pave the way for a healthier, diabetes-free future. Remember, early detection and preventive actions are the keys to maintaining optimal health and well-being.